In this video, we'll show you how to fix CurseForge not logging in. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so first things first, let's make sure CurseForge is fully up to date. You can open CurseForge like normal, and then if there's any update available, you should update your CurseForge. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. Plus, they've got amazing customer support available 24/7. Your setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in minutes. If you use the service, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. Now the next thing you can do is to change the launcher settings. So on the bottom left, click the gear icon to go to settings, and then you want to go to Minecraft, scroll down a bit, and look for launcher settings. So there's one, and here you should check use CurseForge launcher. If you already select this, you can try selecting use Mojang launcher and then restart CurseForge and try login in again. After you do that, you can go back to the home page and then you can click login. So here just click copy and open. It'll open up your browser and you need to paste this code. So just click on it to copy it and then right click, hit paste and hit allow access. And that's done. Let's go back to CurseForge and see if I can log in. And there we go. You should be able to log into your account. Another thing you can do is to make sure your date and time is correct. So you can go to the search bar and type in date and time. So date and time settings, open it up. And then here you need to make sure set time zone automatically is turned on and also set time automatically is also turned on. After you do that, you can go back to CurseForge and try to log in again. If you still cannot log in, you might need to reinstall your CurseForge. To do that, you can go to Windows search and then type in apps and you're going to open up installed apps. Now from here, look for your CurseForge installation. Click the three dots on the right and hit uninstall. And after CurseForge is uninstalled, you want to go back to curseforge.com and then on the top right, click on Get CurseForge app and then download the latest CurseForge installer and install it back on your PC.